What's going on, guys? So there's a trade that I want to watch, more so probably into next week. First off, happy Thanksgiving. I hope you guys are all enjoying your day. I got a little bit of time now before I go to, my next meal here. So I just kind of wanted to get on, make a quick little video on Tesla, show you guys some of the levels that I'm currently mapping out. Now, first things first, guys, if you could do me a huge favor, please hit that subscribe button. Also, drop me a like, a comment, let me know what you guys think, and join my Discord that's down in the description box below. So this video is going to be mainly for day traders, mainly for scalpers, and maybe for a short-term swing trader. I am not speaking to you people who think that Tesla is overvalued and is coming back under 1,000. I'm not speaking to you people who think Tesla is going to run to 13, 14, $1,500 on Friday or Monday. That's not who I'm speaking to. The people that I'm speaking to are the day traders and the scalpers looking to make money in between these little pockets of ranges that we have here. So I have some lines marked out on my chart. First things first, the purple line you see on my screen is the 20 period moving average. It's the 20 SMA. Right now on Friday, bulls did a fantastic job. We did make this push down here to this 1060 area. You can see here, this red line here is where if I'm a bull or someone who believes that Tesla is going to retest these recent highs of 1200 and 1250, we absolutely have to hold this 1060 area. 1060 area is going to be below the 20 SMA. You can see here we wicked once, two times. Bulls stepped in both times and kind of bought this up. This is going back out to this previous breakout here in October when we kind of came up almost here, touched it one time, two times, was rejected. And finally, when we had that big push up here towards the end of October, when we ramped up all the way to 1250, was the area that we need to hold. So if you are a perma bull and believe that this stock is going higher, we need to absolutely hold this 1060 level. I would not be looking to short Tesla until we lose 1060. I just don't see the point in it. There's not enough time. I'm a weekly options trader, so for me, there's not enough meat on that bone until we start to lose that 1060 area. Even though from 1116 down to 1060, there's a lot of room to the downside. If you are an experienced scalper, you will be able to take advantage of that move down. However, for me, my play is more so long biased on Tesla going forward. So I have a couple of levels marked out here, and if I could just go to the hourly time frame and kind of show you these levels and why I have them marked out. First level being is this 1132. We did come up on not Friday, on Wednesday, and we touched this area one time here. So we kind of were inching closer here up to this 1130 area, touched this, tagged this 1132, and then quickly had that sell off the last hour of the day. You could expect low volume. You could expect some profit takers going into the holiday and the long weekend. A lot of people are not going to be trading on Friday. That could also have a lot to do with it as well. The next level I have is this 1138, 1140 realistically is going to be that psychological level here. Going back to last Friday, we came up, kind of tagged it one, two times, three times, broke above it. And as soon as we did break above that 1138, 1140, we did run to that 1200 before we were rejected back into the 20 period moving average. Tried to find some support and had a little bit of more continued downward pressure, and that was that first tag at 1060. So we are kind of inching sideways here. We did kind of, go up and down a little bit. Again, if you are a 5-minute time frame scalper, 1 minute, 2 minute, 15-minute time frame scalper, even an hour scalper, you could have taken advantage of some of the moves that were in here, but not a lot of meat on that bone. You're going to expect a lot of choppiness. So what I would really like to see, if we can do it Friday, if we can do it Monday or Tuesday, is to really get through this 1132 and 1138 area. Depending on where we open up on Friday, what I would like to see for me to want to take a trade on Tesla, a scalp, being that it's going to be 0 days to expiration and the market is only open half days, that time decay and premium is going to get eaten up extremely fast. So the momentum really has to be in your favor. You're going to want to go as close to in the money or in the money as possible. And you're not going to want to really look to hold this unless Tesla shows some significant volume and can kind of break through 1140, back test 1140, and start pushing higher. The next price target that I do have in mind for Tesla is going to be this 1160, 1165 area. A lot of consolidation, a lot of choppiness around this area. Touched and tagged it multiple times, was rejected up and under. And then obviously over 1165, we can definitely retest 1200, and then any close over this 1200 area could start making pushes towards those all-time highs of 1243. So if I kind of break it down a little bit more, I use the 5-minute time frame when I'm scalping. I know some of you guys use the 1 minute and the 2 minute. Some of you guys use the 15-minute, but for scalping, the 5-minute kind of seems to be my sweet spot. So if I kind of just blow this up a little bit here, whoops. If I kind of just blow this up a little bit here so we could see a little bit better here. You can see that 1060 red line down at the bottom. I'm really not interested unless we lose this whole area to go short. You can see here intraday on Wednesday, we kind of were just grinding and riding this 20 period moving average here. Not a whole lot of price action. Again, if you are a little scalper, there was room here, 1123 all the way up to this 1129. You had room here on this test of the 20 period moving average, a confirmation of 1111 all the way up here to 1117, 1125. So there is room in area to make money scalping when the chart is consolidating. But for the bigger picture for you scalpers, what we're really looking for and watching here is on Friday or Monday or Tuesday, how does the price action, how does the stock react when we get to this 1132 and 1138 area? If we have a big surge off of the open and we come up to 1132, maybe spike in here in this range between 32 and 38, chop around and start to fade back, you can expect that that bigger move is either going to come later on in the day. Now, with a short trading day on Friday, could mean Monday or Tuesday if we get rejected in this zone. Or personally, what I would like to see is maybe a gap down open or sort of a flat open. And let's say the first 5 to 30 minutes of the day, we kind of see Tesla sell off a little bit. We get this 20 period moving average to creep down, and then we get a little bit of a base, a little bit of a bottom, and then we get this little bit of a rounding bounce, and then that reclaim of the 20 period moving average, the 20 SMA on the 5-minute time frame, and get that confirmation is what I would look to scalp back up into this 1120, 1130, 1140 area. Okay, that's what I would be looking for on a scalp. Looking for the 20 period moving average to come down. Let's say we open up at 1111 or 1100 and then kind of consolidate and then reclaim the 20. I would be looking to play that into 1120, 1130 area. If Tesla gaps up into this 1132, 1138 range, if we gap up on Friday or Monday into this range, what I am going to look for here is a breakout. And then I want to see a pullback, and I want to see either 1130 or 1138 level hold. I want to see it break out. I want to see a pullback. I want to see consolidation on the 5-minute chart. And then I want to see that second push through this 1130 and 1138. That's going to be my area of entry, depending on where the 20 period moving average is. Are we trading under? Are we above? Hopefully we're above. We come down, kind of tag that 20 and then move higher. You know, if this is just a flash and go, like just a gap and go on Friday, and let's say we open up close to 1132, past 1138, in that first 30 minutes of the day, kind of come back quickly and back test that area, chop around for maybe 5 to 20 minutes, and then start pushing higher. You might want to look for a possible swing into Monday. Going to use 1130 as your stop or the 20 period moving average as your stop. Guys, I hope that kind of helps. I just wanted to give you guys my mindset and as to what I'm thinking with Tesla going forward. I do think that within the next 30 to 60 days, somewhere in between that, whether it take 1 day or it take the full 60 days, I do think that we test that 1200. I do think we test 1250, and I think Tesla does put in new all-time highs here within the next 2 months. If I am wrong, I will be looking to short this back down below 1060. Guys, join the Discord. That link is down in the description box below. Also, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you like this content. I'm trying to put out more videos like this and kind of give you guys some of my ideas and thought processes as to what I think and see when I'm looking at these charts and how I'm kind of looking to take my plays. I will see you guys all on the next video.